You won't even see that. Okay, I received this box today. LookFantastic. I love it. It's pink. I mean, that is a nice box. And inside, let me see. Which way do I need to go? Okay, they actually have, there is a little magazine here with all their products that's in this box. I mean, and it is nice. It's not just a little card. Okay, then there is a miniature Elle magazine. I mean, it's a full magazine. It's just little. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Pink. And then there's the seal. So I'm breaking. This will be the first time for me to see. It's down in here. Oh. Okay, I have Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette by Sleek Makeup. There is a Punk Volumizer Mascara by the Deuce. I think is how somebody told me to pronounce that. I think it was Pamela. Lord and Berry, which is a crayon lipstick. Oh, cool. I was needing one of these. An eyelash curler, and it is nice. It is in a copper color. Emmett Makeup by Artist for Artists, and it has the little changeable little pads on the end. Then here is Arno Lazio Exfoliant and Detox Sea Mud. What is this? Let's open it. Get it out. Oh my gosh, it's a little bar of soap. That's so cute. So cute, so cute. And then there's one other. This is a Philip Kingsley Maximizer Volume, Body, and Bounce Fine Lip and Flyaway Hair Types. And so that's a decent sized bottle there. Let me see, I think. Yeah. So that is it. So this is, I think, $17 a month. It ships from England. The price, I do believe, included to the US. I think that was with the shipping. I'm really excited to look over Elle magazine. I have not seen Elle magazine in years. But this, real quick. This here is LookFantastic Beauty Box, February 2019 edition. So if you can see, there's a picture of the box, and it has what it contains. I don't see prices for any of it, but it shows everything in here. And in the back, hosting a Galentine Day brunch. Okay, and then it has what looks like some recipes. Yes, this is for a grapefruit and rosemary fizz. Then it has wearable guide to blushing pink tones. And so it shows some more product, and it talks about them. There's NARS and MAC. And just this booklet, I'm impressed. I really like the box. It was a thumbs up for the box. Sorry I didn't swatch. But that is it for today. Love everybody. Hugs and kisses. Click like for the video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. hit the notification button if you want to be notified. I have a giveaway going. It's a growing giveaway. Some of this LookFantastic product will probably end up in there as well. It started off this big, and then it's this big and this big, and it keeps getting bigger. I hopefully within a week or two I can hit that mark. I'm right there close to the 900 subscriber mark. So as soon as I hit that 1,000, I'll give it like, I hit 1,000, I'll give it like 3 or 4 days max, and then I will do the drawing, because I also having entries on Instagram as well as Facebook. I'm having to go through everything and get my tallies and stuff, and I'm not sure if I'll end up putting that into a generator and pulling names from each and then putting those in a hat, or if I'm just going to put, you know, Mary has 25 entries, Jane has 4 entries, Louise has 54. I don't know. However that is, I don't know if I'm going to literally cut up like 54 names for Louise, however many I said for Mary, you know, and put those in a hat like that. But it's genuine from my heart, and I like this giving. I use my hands. That's a family thing, and I think it's partly a Texas thing. I hadn't lived in Texas in a long time, but I still have all my family there. But anyway, so yes, like all my videos. You don't have to like all of them to do the drawing, but the rules will be listed below, and that's it. Y'all have a wonderful night.